Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the NPC Solana token. Ticker symbol is NPCS. Now this token is doing very well here according to DEX Screener. They have an over $9 million market cap. They're up over 40% today. This of course is a token on the Solana blockchain. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So NPC _on Solana is the Twitter, and I'm going to put it right in the corner of the screen right here. It says, I support the current coin. The current coin is NPC Sol. I support the current coin. The current coin, that's like one of those TikTok things where those weirdos keep repeating stuff at like a robot and then people tip them or whatever. This is the strangest videos ever. But yeah, so NPCS is the ticker symbol. It says non-playable coin on Solana. A meme for all Solana degens. Solana NPCs unite. And then it has a link to their Telegram right there on the Twitter. And then it has a link to their webpage. So the Telegram, let's see the address here, is at NPC Solana Official, and they have 638 subscribers on there. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's a great place to see updates regarding this project if you want to learn more about the token. And their Twitter here just joined in June 2024. They have 2,666 followers, and in their pinned tweet, it says, no one said this life would be easy. NPCs. NPC just reached a new all-time high, it says here. So let's go over to DEX Screener. So DEX Screener says their market cap right now is $9 million. That's also their fully diluted valuation. They have $330,000 in liquidity in Raydium. And they have a 24-hour trading volume of $1.4 million. So they have been advertising also, it says on DEX Screener, so they're doing a good job of promoting the token. And also it says here that this token pair was actually just created 3 days, 13 hours ago. So this is a brand new token. And how you would get this token, if you were looking to get it, first of all, you would need a wallet for Solana tokens, like a Solflare, a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, whatever wallet you use for Solana tokens, you would fund that wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, SolanaNPC.com. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that in a second. And most likely soon you'll also be able to get this token off other dexes like Jupiter, Orca, maybe Meteora, and maybe central exchanges as well in the future. But if you follow the Twitter, the Telegram, they're most likely going to announce when those listings are. So it says here, the gens unite. This is no pump and dump. this is the next greatest meme coin on the market based off one of the world's most recognizable memes. It says the $1 billion market cap beckons. And yeah, so lots of info here on Dex Screener you could check out. It says they have $330,000 in liquidity in Raydium, and 93.84% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see as well there. And on their webpage here, it says they have 2,080 holders so far. They have a total supply of 1 billion tokens, and circulating supply is like 999.99 million. So it's like a deflationary token, I'd assume. We could check out their Sol scan to see the exact number here in a second. And they have 1.27 thousand pooled Sol in Raydium, which is equivalent to 18.6 million pooled Npcs. They have a DEX score of 99 out of 99. They have a quick audit here by Quick Intel Security on DEX Tools. And it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, scam risk undetected, and then it also says no other risks. So keep in mind that's just a quick audit. It's not a full audit. You should always look out for full audits. So there is 9 decimal places on this token, and it says current supply 999,991,708.8 tokens. So that's the current supply right now. So yeah, deflationary token. The non-playable coin, meme coin, actually backed by one of the most recognizable memes on the internet. Now they have a roadmap on here, starting with phase 1 is the token generation event. Initial marketing push to surpass 1 million market cap. Launch first round of giveaways. CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap listings. Phase 2 is onboarding important, well-respected community KOLs. These will be well-vetted and not pump-and-dump KOLs. First round of airdrops for selection of long-term holders. On board a major industry market maker who has worked with industry giants. Phase 3 is Tier 1 and 2 central exchange listings, major YouTube marketing campaign, billboard campaign in some Europe's busiest cities, key Web3 partnerships to enable growth and sustainability. And then on their webpage, they also have an Instagram, TikTok, their Twitter. They have a buy now button that will take you right over to, that looks like that takes you to DEX Tools. And besides that, on their Twitter here, if you scroll through their tweets, they may have Ask Me Anythings. I don't see any Twitter spaces actually. But they do have 246 posts that you could scroll through. But I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.